Maya, what are you doing? Maya, can you say star?
Star.
Star.
I found star. Mama, I found star.
Yes, I know. That's not a star. What color is that ball? Can you find a purple ball? Can you find a green ball? Nice. How about a yellow one? Is there a yellow one in there? What? Is there a red one in there? Is there an orange one in there? What? How about, did I say blue?
Yeah.
Is there a blue one in there?
Yeah.
Where's the blue one?
Yeah.
There has to be a blue one in there somewhere. Nice job.
Another blue one.
Another blue one. Good job, Lily.
I didn't.
Maya, are you making tae? Oh boy. Oh.
Mama.
Oh, tae face. Say, excuse me, I need some privacy.